Hi guys, greetings to everyone. Join me for lunch. I greet you all according to when you will come across this video and where you're watching me from. Join me. I don't see use hunger put food place. I'm not going to work now. This big tilapia head. Why? Why? Tana. We are selling all of the leaf here. Man, the heater was abandoned since 2019, eh?
Yes.
Imagine.
2021.
2021. I thought during COVID was 29, eh?
Yes, it was still there in 2021.
No.
Like then I'll see you see me.
2021 you use it.
Yes, it's the beginning of the year. Then after that we didn't touch it.
Oh, wow. I buy, use and throw away. Then this one was lucky to be there. That's why when house have space is good, sure. You can keep things or in the store in garage. You were lucky. I brought out the two pepper. I think the one I did not find is the one that is coming out of it.
Yeah.
The fish didn't make me see that one to bring out.
Sorry.
No, sorry to you, dear. That is spice. Although it's cold, it's good.
Yeah.
It's still New York, too. I'll post the video of this stew later. Actually. I hold no copyright to any sound or music in the background. The fish head, you cover everywhere. Still not using. My still not need different assorted. When I want to cook assorted, I cook assorted meat. Stew. If I make stew, no, I don't make it. This one I made it with tomatoes that I preserved in the freezer. During the session of tomatoes, I bought, ground them, cook them, leave them in the freezer. But next time, not that. I have to put them in the bottle so that they will not occupy my freezer. Our freezer, when you are looking for something, you find it difficult. Things are not easy to find. It's not good. That is not finished. Now the fish, and you cover everywhere. You see them? And we fish you, fishy. The fish. We deal with fish. Ẹja ni ẹja. Benin say eh. You just say ẹja. Olùkùn mẹ́jà wá gbà iṣu. Àìsí hàn. Olùkùn wá gbà àtàn. Ní ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀, plantain, àtàn. Ìjọ kìí lẹ́nu. Ìkẹwọn village market. Olùkù mẹ́jà wá o. Wá gbà. Yóò bá sí etí sí o. Wọ́n jèrè. Iṣu náà yàn. I don't remember what they call stash. So, I don't remember I do. I forgot. No rice. I want to go and put rice. It was just the meat, the fish that occupied my plate. There was no rice. I'm coming, guys. I need to put rice on my plate. More rice. Stew. This tea is too thick, but it's good. It's good. See, I also put on boy. Now they cut this tea. Just cut small, put. Then I finish the iron. I like it, Joe. They will talk about Tamara. If I tell you, offensively, what more? Offensively, what more? And boy. If you are a trader in a village market like a Kawa, you still don't understand his job. Shekiri, Ilaje, you not be trader. You not be trader in that market. Because all of them they are coming to buy or to sell there from waterside. It's just Shekiri. Those are answer, but those that make a Kawa market to be a Kawa market are the just. It's all. God bless you, dear. You are going upstairs. So fast. Huh? Okay. You see how I'm using this too. I'm collecting still small. Collecting. eyes up. Hey, eyes up. Hey, eyes up. Ease up. Too like a job people. You see, they live fine. Hardly before you see a job, they come do boom. Or you check him. They are not coming. Or I'm sorry, they are not coming. Where they go, boom, when they're not satisfied with what they get, when they're not able to manage life, I'll be near some. Or those states, Igbo, Calabar. Kurobo. Now we're not satisfied. Shekiri no come. Ijo no come. Amusa no come. They no come. Igbanke. Igbanke already know before now. Now I do. Okay. Igbanke than I do before. Before I can't turn them to data. I think that's what I said. My other bender before. I think so. Yeah. I don't know why they can't change everything. I don't know why they change everything. Change Asaba. Oh, maybe now I go at the talk. No, Europe. But I see now I go that time. During the radio bender. Maybe now I go. Then I come later carry Agbo go data. Agbo before was under Bender State. Ostimana amanhã na ilha. É, abrir. Ah, balestrinha. You need to catch this fish for me. A pepper cook. A pepper go down from me. Pepper. Who's that? No pepper. stew, I stew. Stew. Okay. Who is that? Where is that? Let me see. Where is that? Good afternoon, dear. The person they send link. The person they send link. Which one now? Ola Chief. That's why they send link like this. Not if it be. You again we remain. You are the moment page. You can linking. I know they press linking. I dey work, so I dey suffer, go suffer before pressure. Go suffer. Dey wait. You say I got money when you want chop. Hey. You don't know, say, now we're rubber. Can you enter? You say you want if I will rubber. I will rubber will carry you. No, go to waiting for. Ovia River. Wait, Boba River. And go ask you to my fish. So that I can start the real work on my fish. I need to stop. Oh, I should stop here. I will stop here for today. Because the one will remain is still fat. It's still remaining. I can't finish it. Let me stop here. Because if I later say let me finish it, it will come to abusing food. I don't want to abuse food again. Overfeeding is abusing of that food. I want to be enjoying food, not abusing it. I'll leave this tilapia head and go leave on. Small good to it. Don't be big at once. I will settle down and eat the fish. When I finish, beef and film. This bone is so good because the fish back here. The fish back here. Oh, you tell the fish big, eh? Hey, the fish big. No play. See the fish will remain. Meanwhile, I'm keeping this as reserve. It's still useful. I can't must finish it. Let me put this one to pack those ones aside to throw away. All this one are waste. Here, useful. I'm on your menu. I'm on your. You know, see a few, no more. See a few. I sip on. Let's smoke. We can't wait to sip in breast. Baba God, I thank you. Lita. Gomiza. Lita, the warm. Okay, thank you all for watching our video. I beg, follow our page and subscribe to our channel. Bye. One love. No, I want to end the video. I clap. No, it's just my hand. Sorry. God bless you all. May the peace of the Lord be with us all, and goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. The gods in us that God will believe on shall bless us and prosper the work of our doing, and bless the work of our hand. God is with us. Osagwimaro Emmanuel. Bye bye. Love you all.